Okay, keeping up with my unboxing series, I got 5 grab boxes at Michael's in Austin, Texas, right after the Halloween holiday, and I am unboxing them in a series of videos. Here is box number 3. I could throw a card up if you want to see 1 and or 2. Doing these one at a time so the videos are not like 4 hours long. Okay. Open up this guy. All right off the bat, I see crafts. I see a Monster Lab craft, retails for $9.99. 2 of them, they're the same, cute. Whoa, sorry, kitty cat. Halloween moss, I got some of this in my last box. To me, this is ridiculously expensive, but it's cute. You could put it in a Dollar Tree glass with some spiders. It would be cute, so it's purple. And they sent me 1, 2, 3, so 1 in black, 4, 5, 6, 7, I see more, 8. Y'all, this is a mess. I see the glitter. This would be a huge mess. But I don't know. I'll save it for next year and see. $6.99 each. That's a ton of them. Oh, yes! I really like these a lot. I saw these at the 80% off sale. They're $12.99 each. I wanted these for the center of my dining room table. I put candles in between them. I was going to buy them at the 80% off each. I'm so glad I waited because I would have paid maybe $2, $3 for them, but now I paid $4 for this whole box and I got 2 of them. So this is a great deal. I'm happy about these. Some more tights. My daughter will love these. $8.99. She collects these. Washi tape. $4.99. Cute Halloween washi tape. I'm a paper planner person, so this is a good score for me, but they sent me a lot. I'm going to have to give some of this away. This is a lot. I'll never go through all this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Halloween washi tapes. I'm going to do a close-up so you can see. It is really cute. Looks like skeleton bones, x-rays, and it's cute. Spiders. 8 of those. Some ribbon. Ooh, I like this ribbon. This is got the glittery look, but without the mess. It's sequined. This is $5. Retails for and pretty decent amount, like this. They also sent this big one. This is also glittery. Doesn't really make a mess either. $5 retails for. Some gold autumn ribbon, $3. I love how they throw these random things in. $3.99 for this random pine cone. This is broken. This was a Halloween glass syringe, but this is gonna have to go in the trash. This can hurt somebody. This is shattered glass, so. But $5.99 retail value. Cute, a paper, like a paper craft. Looks like, oh, they're black flowers, so for a centerpiece table. $5.99, and they sent me 1, 2. Okay. 2 of those. This is, oh, Sizzix. I do not have a Sizzix machine, but it looks like you could use these as stamps also. And I like to stamp. I'm crafty. Again, have a planner. This does not have a price on it. Comes with 5 stamps and 4 dies for the Sizzix. Does anybody even use Sizzix anymore? Oh, here's a few more washies. 8 wasn't enough. They had to send me 10 washies. Okay, these are cute little Halloween postcards. Ooh, okay, so they're like that, and I do not like touching those. Yeah, does everybody have pet peeves? This is one of mine. I do not like touching this stuff. But it's, I don't know if you could see, it like changes pictures. Best witches. And there's 6 postcards and they all have like a different, I don't want to touch them. Hey pumpkin. Cute, very cute. Retails for $5.99. More of these light bulbs. I got one of these in my last box. I don't know what I could use these for, but maybe Christmas? I don't know. And more of this moss. Because Lord knows I need more of this moss. $6.99, purple and red. Cute. Martha Stewart stickers. I love stickers. So cute. These are gold and embossed. Really pretty. 32 pieces. No price. Cute. Halloween decoration. Looks like pumpkin ornaments. You could, I'm sorry, not pumpkin, ghost ornaments. You could string them on something. $9.99. More washi. A party pack. Comes with some bracelets, some rubber bats, and some bubbles. $5. I'm gonna save this. Anybody who's trick-or-treating in Austin, Texas next year, come to my house because I'm going to have more than candy in my candy bowl. I'm gonna throw some of this. I'm gonna throw some of those projector little flashlight things. So it'll be more than just candy. Okay? More washi. Martha Stewart. I love the Martha Stewart line. These are favor bags. They say toxic. They're gold embossed, really pretty. No price tag, but there's 10 bags in each. And so I got 2 packs, 20 total. Enough to have a decent sized party. Super cute. If you just heard that was my cat sneezing. This is a little statue, Tiny Treasures, retails for $6.99. This goes with those little houses that they put up every year that are lit up and stuff. Cute little witch with a crystal ball. $6.99. Cute! This is a brooch, little pin that you can wear. It's really pretty. It's glossy. $6.99 is the cost on that. Recollection stickers. These are cute. These are like x-ray stickers. 12 pack. Retails for $4.99. And these are all the different ones it comes with. Cute. Can definitely use these. Mini baking cups in a neutral beige color, so you could really use any time. $1.99. This is good. Looks like a cookie cutter of a dancing mummy or a zombie maybe. And these cookie cutters retail for 99 cents. Cute. This is Bling Halloween. $3.99 for this. That's what it's called, the Bling sticker. $3.99 by Recollections. It's a cute little skull made of diamonds. I like it. And if you just watched my box number 2, I got this in another box. It lights up. I don't know if you can see it. It says beware. So, what a mess. Do you know what's making a mess? That moss. Jeez. Okay, and so this is huge. I can't even fit it all in the picture. It does work. It does light up. And like I showed in the last video, it retails for, it's so hard to show this, $34.99. It won't zoom. There you go. $34.99. So, this alone is a huge score, considering the box was only $4. So I will add up the total of this box so you can see what the value is. Here's the results of box number 3. It had 49 items with a total retail value of $329.55 with the 20% off coupon. You'd pay $263.64 out the door for $4. I would call this a very great deal. Just wanted to note, look at the mess. When I unboxed it, I kind of just tossed everything to the side on the floor here. It is a mess. I'm going to have to sweep it up. So it's that moss. I don't know if you're ever shopping at Michael's, I don't know if that's a good buy because it's a mess. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.